Hello everyone, Niren sir here. Today I'm going to explain about one specific term which is familiar to us. The word is also used in mathematics also. This is nothing but the concept of relation. The term is relation. What is relation actually? Relation. So this is a familiar word for us. If I want to have any relation, then obviously I will imagine someone, maybe my father, maybe my mother, brother, sister, friend, whatever he or she may be, whoever he or she may be, I will imagine him or her against me. যেতিয়া আমি কোনোবা এজন মানুহে ৰিলেশ্যনত থকাৰ কথা কওঁ তেতিয়াহ'লে অবভিয়াছলি ইফ আই ৱান্ট টু হেভ এনি ৰিলেশ্যন যদি মই কেতিয়াবা ৰিলেশ্যনত থাকিব বিচাৰোঁ তেতিয়াহ'লে আমি কি হয় ইমাজিন কৰোঁ অবভিয়াছলি মোৰ এগেইনষ্টত হয় মোৰ মা নহ'লবা দেউতা নহ'লবা দাদা নহ'লবা বা নহ'লবা কোনোবা ফ্ৰেণ্ডক আমি ইমাজিন কৰিম ইন দ্য ছেইম ৱে if I want to introduce relation, if we want to introduce relation in case of mathematics, then obviously যেনেকৈ মানুহৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত ৰিলেশ্যন হ'বলৈ হ'লে দুজন মানুহৰ প্ৰয়োজন হয় চিমিলাৰলি মেথছৰ ক্ষেত্ৰতো ৰিলেশ্যন নামৰ ৱৰ্ডটো ইন্ট্ৰডিউচ কৰিবলৈ হ'লে ফাৰ্ষ্ট অফ অল উই হেভ টু ইমাজিন টু ডিফাৰেণ্ট ছেট আমি দুটা ছেটৰ কথা ইমাজিন কৰিম চ' লেট আছ কনচিডাৰ টু ছেটছ এ এণ্ড বি Suppose A contains two elements, 1 and 7, and B contains, suppose, two elements, 3 and 9. So two different sets are there. They are non-empty sets. A contains two elements, 1 and 7, and B contains two elements, 3 and 9. From the observation we have come to know. Now, before going to explain about relation, first of all, we should have the clear concept about Cartesian product. What is Cartesian product? The Cartesian product, the representation of Cartesian product is A cross B. It is known to us whenever we will operate any operation between two sets, jeta ami duta setor majot kiba eta operation operate koru, maybe union, maybe intersection, maybe difference, whatever may be the operation, the result will be again a set. দুটা সেটৰ মাজত অপাৰেশ্যন কৰিলে হিয়াকো এটা সেটলৈ কনভাৰ্ট হয় সিমিলাৰলি আমি এ আৰু বি দুটা নন এণ্টি সেট লৈছোঁ তাহাঁতৰ মাজত আমি এইটো কাৰ্টেছিয়ান প্ৰডাক্টটো আমি এপ্লাই কৰিছোঁ ই এটা অপাৰেশ্যনে হয় তেতিয়া মনত ৰাখিব লাগিব যে এ আৰু বি মাজত কাৰ্টেছিয়ান প্ৰডাক্ট কৰিলে এটা নতুন সেটলৈ কনভাৰ্ট হয় বিকজ কাৰ্টেছিয়ান প্ৰডাক্ট ইজ নাথিং বাট এন অপাৰেশ্যন বিটুইন এ এণ্ড বি সেইকাৰণে কাৰ্টেছিয়ান প্ৰডাক্ট অফ টু সেটে সেটৰ সকলো প্ৰপাৰ্টি ছেটিছফাই কৰিব ডেটছ ৱাই উই হেভ টু ৰাইট ডাউন উইদিন কাৰ্লি ব্ৰেকেট চ' বাট ৰিমেম্বাৰ ডেট the Cartesian product of A cross B contains only ordered pairs x comma y. Ordered pair means why this one is known as ordered pair? The word order plays an important role. Order means why the data pairs are known as ordered pair because they maintain one specific order in between them. What is the order? The first element x belongs to the first set A and the second element y belongs to the second set B. This is the order. Whatever may be the ordered pair will be there in A cross B. The first element belongs to the first set and the second element belongs to the second set always. So then what is the Cartesian product of A cross B here? This one case. A case to ক্ষেত্ৰত A cross B কি হ'ব? So A cross B always contains ordered pairs. So the first আমি 1 first element বিলাক সদায় A পৰা আহিব আৰু second element বিলাক সদায় B পৰা আহিব প্ৰথমে এটা 1 3 লগত পেয়াৰ বনাব 1,3 1,9 then 7,3 7,9 so what we have got Cartesian product contains only ordered pairs এটা বিলাক আমি অলৰেডি আগতে পাই আহিছো আমি জানো যদি আমি 12 টপিক লৈ যাব বিচাৰো কিন্তু 11 ৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত we have got the Cartesian product A cross B contains only ordered pairs 1,3 1,9 7,3 and 7,9 so what is the difference between the general set and the Cartesian product of two set? Cartesian product of two set এটা সেটে হয় but remember that Cartesian product of two set contains only ordered pairs. ইয়াৰ ordered pair ইয়াৰ element বিলাক এইবিলাক এটা element হয় these are known as elements. ইয়াৰ elements are only ordered pairs কিন্তু এইবিলাক সেটত আমি কি দেখিছো element বিলাক ordered pair নাথাকিব পাৰে 1 7 3 9 এটি ওপেনলি থাকিব পাৰে কিন্তু যেতিয়া আমি Cartesian product বুলি কম তাৰ element বিলাক সদায় কি থাকিব ordered pair থাকিব. How many elements will be there in the Cartesian product? Number of elements in Cartesian product. What is the formula? আমি দেখিলো যে নাম্বাৰ অফ এলিমেন্টস ইন কাৰ্টেছিয়ান প্ৰডাক্ট অফ A cross B means নাম্বাৰ অফ এলিমেন্টস ইন A into number of elements in B. How many elements are there in A? It will be 2. And how many elements are there in B? 2. So what is the number of elements? 4. That means number of elements in A cross B will be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. In this way, we will try to find out the number of elements of the Cartesian product of two set. Okay? So it is known to us each and every set has a subset. It is এটা আমি জানোই set বুলি কলা যেনেকে subset থাকে across B itself is a set তাক আমি C বুলিও কনসিডাৰ কৰি লব পাৰো because across B যদিও দুটা সিম্বল লিখিছো but remember that this is nothing but a single set এই সেটটোক আমি C বুলি ৰিপ্ৰেজেন্ট কৰিব পাৰো so if the number of elements of any set are known to us যদি আমি এটা সেটত থকা এলিমেন্টৰ সংখ্যা জানো তেতিয়া হলে সেই সেটটোৰ সাবসেটৰ সংখ্যাও কৈ দিব পাৰি so number of subsets of any set is always denoted by 2 to the power n. What is n? N is the number of elements of the set. Okay. So if the number of elements of any set are known to us, that means if the n is known to us, then we can easily find it out how many subsets will be there. So here also if I want to find out a number of subset of A cross B, so first of all we should have the idea about the number of elements of A cross B. How many elements are there in A cross B? A cross B contains how many elements? 4 elements. That means here n is equal to 4. Then how many subsets of A cross B will be there? Therefore, number of subsets of A cross B is 2 to the power n. That means 2 to the power 4 because in A cross B how many elements are there? 4 elements are there. That means this is nothing but 16. So in this way we can easily find out the number of elements of any set. The formula is 2 to the power n. Here also A cross B contains 4 elements. That means n is equal to 4. After putting n is equal to 4 we have got 16 subsets. What are the subsets? We know that subset number 1. This is nothing but empty set. 16 subsets will be there. Out of all those 16 subsets, what is a subset 1? Singleton set. Oh, sorry. Empty set 5. Subset number 2, singleton set. That means we will try to write down the single elements only. 1, 3. These are one element. Subset number 3, 1, 9. Subset number 4, 7, 3. So in this way, we will try to write down all the subsets. How many subsets we will get? Subset number 16 is nothing but the set itself. That means A cross B. Or you can say that in this way we can easily write down 1, 3, 1, 9, 7, 3, then 7, 9. In this way, we will try to write down all the subsets of A cross B. How many subsets? We have got 16 subsets. We can easily write down all those 16 subsets. Subset number 1, 5, empty set. Subset number 2, subset number 3, subset number 4, up to subset number 16, which is equal to A cross B. This one is known as empty subset, and this one is known as universal subset. Or subset is A cross B. Okay. Now, what is relation actually? Remember that subset of a Cartesian product is always known as a relation. So relation is nothing but the subsets of the Cartesian product. So A cross B contains how many subsets? 16 subsets. That means we can easily introduce 16 relations between A and B. So this one is relation means what? So relation means subset of the Cartesian product of the two set. কোনগিটা সেটৰ কাৰ্টেছিয়ান প্ৰডাক্টৰ সাবসেট হ'ব লাগিব যিকিটা সেটৰ মাজত আমি ৰিলেশনটো ইন্ট্ৰোডিউস কৰিব বিচাৰিছো সো ৰিলেশন ইজ নাথিং বাট দ্য সাবসেট অফ দ্য কাৰ্টেছিয়ান প্ৰডাক্ট টু সেট দুটা সেটৰ কাৰ্টেছিয়ান প্ৰডাক্টৰ যিমান বিলাক সাবসেট থাকে সো হিয়াৰ অলসো A cross B contains how many subsets? 16 subsets. এই গুটি সাবসেট বিলাকক প্ৰত্যেকটোকে এটা ৰিলেশন বুলি কোৱা হয় সো ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট টপিক ৰিলেশন ইজ নাথিং বাট দ্য সাবসেট অফ দ্য কাৰ্টেছিয়ান প্ৰডাক্ট অফ দ্য টু সেট কোনগিটা সেট যিকেইটা ছেট আমি নিজে কনচিডাৰ কৰি লৈছোঁ তাহাঁতৰ কাৰ্টেছিয়ান প্ৰডাক্টৰ যিমানটা ছাবছেট হ'ব প্ৰত্যেকটো ছাবছেটক এটা এটা ৰিলেশ্যন বুলি জনা যায় চ' উই কেন ইজিলি চে ডেট দিছ ইজ নাথিং বাট ৰিলেশ্যন নাম্বাৰ 1 অৰ উই কেন চে ডেট this one is relation 2, this one is relation 3, so this one is relation 4. So that means in this way how many relations can be introduced between A and B? 16 relations can be introduced. This relation empty subset is known as empty relation and the set itself across B is known as universal relation. This one is known as universal relation. So that means remember that one of the important topic, relation is nothing but a subset of the Cartesian product of the two set. Whenever we have to find out the relation, remember that this is nothing but the Cartesian product of the two set, subset of the Cartesian product of the two set. মই যদি কওঁ যে P আৰু Q relation, that means this is nothing but a number of subset of P cross Q. Okay, so whenever we have to find out a number of relation, we will try to. So number of relation means number of subset of A cross B. Number of relation between A and B is nothing but a number of subset of A cross B. Whatever may be the number of subset of A cross B, it will be the number of relation between A and B. So, thank you so much for watching. In the next video, I will explain some questions which is the extension part of relation. Okay, thank you.